In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep all your data organized across platforms, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can get your Trello board and Google Sheets working in harmony. First, let's head over to your Trello board. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once you're logged in, locate the specific board you want to sync with Google Sheets. If you're not sure which board to choose, think about where you store the most data that would benefit from being shared with a spreadsheet. Once you've selected your board, look towards the top right corner for the settings icon, typically represented by 3 dots. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you'll see various options related to your board's settings. From this menu, click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of integrating additional features into your boards, and they can significantly enhance the functionality of your boards. Now, with the Power-Ups page open, use the search bar to look for Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync. This specific power-up will allow data to flow seamlessly between Trello and Google Sheets, meaning any updates in either platform will reflect in the other. This is crucial for maintaining consistency and ensuring everyone involved has access to the most up-to-date information. After you've found the Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync power-up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the installation page. Here, you can read more about what the power-up does and how it can benefit your workflow. When you're ready, click on the Add button to integrate this feature into your Trello board. Once you've added the power-up, you'll need to configure it to ensure it's working as intended. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Google Sheets account with Trello. You'll likely need to log into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions for this integration to function correctly. And there you have it. Your Trello board should now be successfully synced with Google Sheets. By following these steps, you've set up a powerful two-way sync that can save you time and effort by reducing the need for manual data entry and keeping your information consistent across platforms. If you run into any issues, most power-ups include support documentation, or you can reach out to Trello's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your productivity.